Sometimes we want to stretch our image for Facebook or YouTube banner. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stretch an image without stretching the main object in image. Select Crop tool. Make sure to uncheck Delete Crop Pixels. Now drag the image from its side to whatever size you need. If we use Ctrl-T to stretch the image, then what happens? Our main object, which is the couple in this image, it also stretches. So to avoid this, I'm going to tell you a trick. As we want to keep our main object in the middle, and in this image it's the couple. So select Move tool and drag the image in middle. Now select Rectangular Marquee tool. And select this area. Now press Ctrl-T and drag it to the end. Then press Enter. And press Ctrl-D to deselect this area. Now we will do the same here. Select this area. Then press Ctrl-T and drag it to the end of this side. Then press Enter. And press Ctrl-D to deselect the area. See, we have stretched our image, but it didn't affect our main object. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.